Let's go take the Grom out on this freezing cold December day and see Amazon's return policy, then go and pop to the supermarket and try not to freeze my ass off on the Grom. Right, so let's have it. Walk around the house a few times. Oh god, I need a crap. Always, always. You get all your gear on, and as soon as it's time to go, you need a crap. A pre-flight dump. Oh. I hope I can last. I can just clench. It's only round the corner. Right. Maybe I'll freeze us. Hello RX-8. Hello load of shit. Come on Grammy Grammerson. Yes. Hello shitload of wood and shit. Coldness and darkness and battery charger and stuff shoved up my pipe. Yes. Let's turn that on inside to get that warmed up and give myself poisoning. Oh, you naughty girl. Hello, have a helmet. Oh, fuck tits. Aha. Excuse me while I scratch your tank. Okay. Oh, very big shit. Should be doing its trick. That's a fucking rusty pipe. Anyway, right, that down, this on. How much petrol? Shitloads of petrol. Can you help me to? Oh, that's rubbish. In your face, bye-bye, Harley. Hello, fat bird. Oh, police officer. Chase me, police officer! over. It's easy. Get back on there, you naughty. Go on. Die in a ball of flames. Where the fuck is that? Come on, get out of the way. Come on. Gosh, oh, fucking learner. Come on. Monkey. Oh mate. Well, that's that fucked, isn't it? The fuck are you and oil change and spinner clean and screen clean, maybe even change the plug, but for now that's enough fucking around. We're back in with the other one that needs a MOT when I can find the fucking name of the place that I used years ago. What else? Yeah, put it on there. Bosh, bosh, bosh. Thank you very much, Grommy Grommerson. such a shame. It's got new tyres, new chains, sprockets, throttle body balance, air filter, service, recent fork shit. Oh yeah, I've changed the pads and lines after all these years, so it's need to find a 32mm thingamajig for that. But that's the shit that's going in the Grom. That's the shit that's going in the RX-8. Now, I'm going to be fucking up to my nuts in oil changes, I think, over Christmas. That's the shit that goes in the RX-8 along with the fuel, because it's a weirdo rotary wanker engine. What the fuck do I need? Let's put these back here. I need some warm weather to take this out. Also, I need to get this repainted as well. This garage is looking shit. Thinks about covering the floor with something, but can't be asked. I just need to get that burnt or out, so I can move that back, that somewhere, and leave space for either a 1299 Panigale or Panigale S. I don't think I better stretch to the V4. Or, now I'm 40, get a GS 1200. Then I've got a sports bike, old man bike, children's bike, stroke commuter thing. It's a bit of fun. And a load of fucking mountain bikes, road bikes, some more inside, and that shit that's never gonna use. I might just throw that or flog it. Kids shit. I did buy these two drawer things here though, they've been useful so far, to put more of my shit up there rather than down there. I need a double garage, that's what I need. I need a double garage, I need a fucking loft so I can, like, the same height, so I can live in here. That's my cat for the RX-8. I'm going to probably need that for MOT in January. I don't know what to do about that yet. Yeah, there's a pain in the cock about the microphone. I probably won't be able to hear this shit. But I'll upload it anyway. Right, let's fucking do some clicking of alarms and shit and tell all the thieves where I live. But yeah, that would do for the time being. It's a pretty good car actually. I did the North Coast 500 earlier in the year, the day at Bedford, Autodrome. No problems. It's looking quite a nice day today. Might go for that poo now.